In order to perform a titration, we have to begin the process by rinsing and priming a 50 milliliter burette by placing a small amount of sodium hydroxide in the burette to coat the inside with the solution. We then repeat this process for a total of 3 times. After the burette has been rinsed and primed, it should be filled with sodium hydroxide, ensuring that the knob is perpendicular to the burette so that the sodium hydroxide does not drain out. We then record the initial volume to 2 decimal places according to the bottom of the meniscus. After rinsing and priming our burette, we also need to prepare our KHP solution in an Erlenmeyer flask. To do this, we need to weigh a sample of KHP and dissolve it in about 50 milliliters of water in the flask. Once the KHP has been dissolved, we add a couple of drops of phenolphthalein to the flask. Once both the burette and the KHP solution are prepared, we can begin our titration. We start by placing the flask under the spout of the burette. We then slowly add sodium hydroxide from the burette to the KHP solution until a faint pink endpoint is observed. While adding the sodium hydroxide, we need to be sure to continuously swirl the flask until the faint pink color remains constant and no longer fades to a clear solution. Once the endpoint has been reached, our titration is finished and we can now record the final volume. We then repeat this process for both of the members in the group.